Hello everyone and welcome back to Ema English Daily, where every conversation helps you learn real English. I'm Ema and I'm happy you're here to practice with us today. Smiles?
Hi, Ema. Hello, everyone. I'm Jack. How are you today? You look much better than usual. I hope you're feeling healthy because today's lesson sounds exciting. Smiles.
Thank you, Jack. I'm feeling fine now, but yesterday I had a terrible headache. I took some medicine, rested for a few hours, and almost went to see a doctor. Sighs.
Oh, I'm glad you're better now. When I get sick, I always have a problem because I don't know the right English words. I usually just point and say, "It hurts here."
Don't worry, Jack. Today we'll learn simple English for visiting a doctor, from making an appointment to getting medicine. These phrases are easy and very useful. Smiles.
That sounds perfect. Before we begin, please like this video, subscribe to Ema English Daily, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for supporting us.
Let's begin. Imagine you wake up with a sore throat, a bad headache, and you feel very sick. What's the first thing you're going to do in that situation? Smiles?
I think I'll call the doctor's office first, but I'm not sure what I should say in English. I want to sound polite and natural when I speak on the phone. Smiles.
That's easy. First, you make an appointment. An appointment is the time you choose to meet the doctor. You can say, "I'd like to make an appointment, please." Smiles?
I understand now. An appointment is simply a planned meeting with the doctor. So I can call and politely say, "Hello, I'd like to make an appointment, please." Smiles.
Exactly. Then the receptionist may ask, "When would you like to come in?" You can tell them the day or time that's best for you, or ask for the earliest available time. Smiles?
So if I feel really sick, I can ask, "Is there anything available today?" If the doctor is busy, I know I may need to wait or visit urgent care instead.
When you arrive at the doctor's office, go to the front desk and say, "I have an appointment at 3 o'clock. My name is Jack." Then you'll sit in the waiting room until the doctor calls your name. Smiles.
That sounds easy. I'm already good at waiting because I do it every day on the bus. After the doctor calls my name, I go into the room and answer their questions.
The doctor may ask, "How are you feeling today?" or "What are your symptoms?" A symptom is something you feel when you're sick, like a headache, a cough, or feeling very tired. Smiles.
So I can say my head hurts, I have a cough, or I feel very tired. I can also say my symptoms are a headache and a cough. That's simple and clear. Smiles.
Exactly. If you don't know the right English word, don't worry. Just describes how you feel. You can say, "My stomach hurts, my body feels hot, or I feel cold and tired." Smiles.
That makes me feel much more confident because the doctor wants to help me, not test my English. Simple sentences are enough if I explain my problem clearly.
Here's another useful word, fever. A fever means your body temperature is higher than normal. You often feel very hot, and sometimes you also feel cold at the same time. Smiles is
I see. So if my temperature is very high, I should visit a doctor as soon as possible. That sounds serious, so it's important to check it quickly. Smiles.
That's right. You can check your temperature with a thermometer. If it's above 38 degrees Celsius, you usually have a fever, and you should watch your health carefully. Yes.
Now I know what to say. I can tell the doctor, "I have a fever," or "My temperature is 38.5 degrees. Those sentences are easy to remember.
The doctor may ask, "When did the fever start?" You can answer, "It started yesterday," or "It started 2 days ago." These simple answers help the doctor understand your problem. Smiles.
That's easy. I can answer those questions without feeling nervous. I think I can now explain when I started feeling sick in simple and natural English.
Here's another useful word. Sore. It means something hurts. We usually say sore throat, sore back, or sore muscles. These are common words at the doctor's office. Smiles.
So if my throat hurts, I can say, I have a sore throat, or my throat is sore. Both sentences mean the same thing and are easy to remember.
Exactly. You can also say, I have a sore back, or my legs are sore after exercise. If you don't know the body part, just point and say it is sore here. Smiles.
That's really helpful. Even if I forget some vocabulary, I can point to the painful place and say, it's sore here, and the doctor will understand me. Smiles.
After listening to your symptoms, the doctor usually writes a prescription. A prescription tells the pharmacy what medicine you need and how you should take it. Smiles.
So a prescription is like an official note from the doctor. I take it to the pharmacy, and they give me the correct medicine for my illness. Smiles.
That's right. The doctor may say, I'm going to write you a prescription, or here's your prescription. Then they explain when and how to take the medicine. Smiles.
For example, the doctor might say, take this medicine twice a day, or take one pill in the morning and one at night for 7 days. That's very clear.
If you feel better after a few days, don't stop your medicine early. Always finish it because it needs time to work completely. Or you might get sick then. Smiles.
I understand. Even if I feel better after 3 days, I'm going to finish all my medicine because I don't want my illness to come back again. Smiles.
After you get your prescription, take it to a pharmacy. The pharmacist will read it, give you the right medicine, and answer any questions you have. Smiles.
So I can ask, how do I take this medicine? Can I take it with food? Or will this medicine make me sleepy? Those are useful questions.
Exactly. Some medicines need a prescription, but you can buy things like vitamins or cough drops without one. It's always okay to ask the pharmacist for help. Smiles.
Great. Now I know these important words: appointment, symptom, fever, sore, prescription, and pharmacy. They're easy to remember because we practice them together.
Let's practice with a short role play. I'll be the doctor and you'll be the patient. Welcome, Jack. Please sit down. How are you feeling today, and what are your symptoms?
I'm not feeling well, doctor. I have a sore throat, a fever, and a small headache. My temperature was 38.2 degrees this morning, and I also have a cough. Smiles.
I see. When did your symptoms begin? Let me check your throat. Please open your mouth and say, your throat looks red, but it seems to be just a common cold. Smiles.
That's good news. I was worried it was something serious. I'm happy it's only a cold, and I'll follow your advice carefully to get better soon.
I'm going to write you a prescription. Take this medicine twice a day, 5 days, once in the morning and once at night. Take it with food and drink plenty of water. Smiles.
Thank you, doctor. I'll go to the pharmacy, get my medicine, follow your instructions, drink lots of water, and make sure I finish every pill until I'm completely better.
That's right, Jack. Take your medicine twice a day for 5 days. Eat before taking it. Drink plenty of water and get lots of rest because good sleep helps your body heal. Smiles.
I'll follow every instruction carefully. Then I'll take my prescription to the pharmacy, get my medicine, rest at home, and make another appointment if I don't feel better. Smiles.
Excellent! You just completed a full doctor visit in English. You made an appointment, explained your symptoms, talked about your fever and sore throat, and received a prescription. Smiles!
I'm really happy because I used all 6 important words in one conversation. Now I feel much more confident about speaking English when I visit a doctor.
Remember, you don't need perfect English. Learn a few useful words like appointment, symptom, fever, sore, prescription, and pharmacy, and speak with confidence. Smiles!
If I forget a word, I'll simply describe how I feel. I can say, my stomach hurts, my body feels hot, or this part hurts, and the doctor will understand. Smiles.
Here's one more helpful tip. Before you visit the doctor, write your symptoms on your phone. Simple notes like sore throat, fever, 2 days can help if you're nervous. Smiles.
That's a great idea. Reading my notes will help me stay calm and explain my problem clearly, even if I feel worried or forget some English words.
Let's review today's lesson. We learned 6 useful words: appointment, symptom, fever, sore, prescription, and pharmacy. These words are very important for everyday English.
Yes, an appointment is your meeting with the doctor. A symptom is what you feel. A fever means a high temperature. And sore means a body part hurts. Miles.
That's perfect! A prescription tells the pharmacy what medicine you need. And the pharmacy is the place where you get your medicines in. You remembered everything today. Smiles.